So hang out with me as I do a hot oil treatment on my 4C hair. I'll also show you what I do to get rid of product buildup if you don't have a clarifying shampoo. Hello beauties, I hope you all are doing well. As you can see, I am wearing out my natural hair, letting the fro out today. So I had my hair in small braids. I just took it out, and that was from a hot oil treatment I did yesterday, my end of the week hot oil treatment for my hair. So hang out with me as I do a hot oil treatment on my 4C hair. Why you should include this in your hair care routine and healthy hair care journey. So I'll also show you how I remove product buildup, and also from hot oil treatments, when you use heavy oils, usually it's better to cleanse your scalp with a clarifying shampoo. But if you don't have a clarifying shampoo, I'll show you what you can use for that. Here I'm just removing my 1 week old braid so I can do the hot oil treatment. And as always, I'm applying coconut oil to make it easier to take down the braids. The oils I'm using are extra virgin olive oil and some honey. I also added 2 lighter oils, coconut oil and argan oil, to the mix later on for added benefits and added dilution to the olive oil, as it is a thick oil. Add your oils into a container, get some hot water in a bowl, and let the mixture sit inside for 1 to 2 minutes for the oils to be warm. Or you can also warm up your oils by using a microwave for 7 to 10 seconds. And slightly shake or mix well for the oils to blend together before applying it on your hair. A hot oil treatment is a hair care technique in which oils are heated and applied to the hair in order to provide it with moisture, nourishment, and protection. So I have my hair sectioned in 4, and I'm applying the oil generously onto the ends of my hair and massaging it onto my scalp and putting my hair in twists. Don't forget to spritz water before applying the oil onto your hair. The benefits of hot oil treatment on 4C hair is that it moisturizes and can provide deep moisture and nourishment to the hair. It enhances hair shine. It enhances hair growth. It improves hair elasticity and is good for scalp care. So I'm covering my hair with a plastic bag. I can't find my shower cap, so this is good enough, and I'm gonna let it sit for 15 to 20 minutes. I'm just gonna wash it off with some hair shampoo and conditioner to detangle my hair. And usually when I apply conditioner on my hair, after detangling, I put my hair in twists and let it sit for 5 minutes just for an extra nourishment. So during the time it's sitting, I'm gonna mix my apple cider vinegar, and it's gonna act as a cleanse since we don't have a clarifying shampoo. I use 2 cups of water and 4 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. I pour this over my hair after the shampoo and conditioner and leave it on for 1 minute, and then I rinse it off with water again. So this apple cider vinegar mix really cleanses the scalp, so if you don't have a clarifying shampoo, you can just use this method. And since my shea butter didn't arrive yet, I will just keep my hair like this for the next 2 days. And I just put my hair in twists, and I'm gonna cut my hair. I'm gonna cut the ends about 1 inch, just to promote healthy hair growth and eliminate split ends. So make sure you give yourself a trim every now and then. I do mine every 4 to 6 weeks. For the oils, you can choose whichever you like. Every oil has their own benefits to the hair.